Okay, pose here first. Two of you, look here. Smile. Yes, smile. Okay. So the signs. 240 meters on the left. That's the name of the bridge. And then 520 meters. That's the name of the falls. And then we came from the second falls. And that's the name. And now we're going to the third waterfalls. The name in Korean. It's another long walk going to the third waterfalls. You just have to enjoy this place while you're walking. Oh, ready ka na? Oh, wait, I'll take a picture first from here. Oh, smile. Oh, one more selfie. Oh, sige, go up na. Okay. Oh. Oh, stop. I'll take a picture. Korean pose. Yeah, Korean pose. Okay, I could already hear the strong waterfalls. And one thing nice is they have a platform. They really thought of it well so tourists can enjoy. And Cole is very tired. Cole, you're tired na of walking? You're not tired? You're thirsty. Okay, why don't you drink from the waterfalls, Cole? And wow, look at this magnificent waterfalls, huh? It's really worth it. No wonder Cole got so thirsty. Imagine, huh? If you have a room right beside the waterfalls, you'll never get out of bed anymore. Imagine this, huh? Listening to the waterfalls instead of listening to loud music. And Cole, let's look at Cole. Cole is very thirsty. Look, oh, look at your face naman. Your face looks so tired. Huh? Why? You're thirsty na? It was a long walk. That's why Cole got so thirsty. He forgot to bring his jug of water. As we take a close look and enjoy this scene. That's why it's always nice not to join tours, because in a tour it's more expensive and it's filled with lots of tourists. You cannot take your time here. You can stay forever and enjoy the scenery, the sights, and the sound of the waterfalls. Look at Cole and Berna surrounded by the trees. Yes, it's a real jungle out here while enjoying the music of the waterfalls. And stay here as long as you want. Okay, one last look at the waterfalls while Danielle was enjoying her smartphone and me enjoying just by looking at the waterfalls. Okay, so few more seconds to enjoy this view. Wow. Goodbye for now.